Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to join Telegram private channel without an invite link. So first of all, go ahead. I'm going to show you a little trick. Go ahead and open up your Telegram. Okay. And what you're going to do, you're going to just go ahead and create your own group. I've already created my own group, I believe. Yeah, I think that one. Right. If I click right here with the name and clicked more right here, and I want to see a link to that allows me to share this group, so, or this channel, right? So you're gonna see appearance, yeah, invite links. You can just go ahead right here and click share link, all right? Or you can just copy the link right here. Okay, now what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go back to your screen, okay, and then go ahead to your browser. And basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna just erase this code after the slash and just type, for example, Trump, right? And you're gonna see a Telegram room that allows you to join this, this room, right? The same goes if you want to type, let's say for example, cheese, right? Cheese, yeah, cheese. No, sorry, cheese. You're gonna type it, and you're gonna see right here. This is like a, individual one. You can start messaging, right? And you can just type another one, right? That's for example, right here, Obama. Okay, and as you can see right here, you can go to that channel or that group or whatever it might be. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.